Naglabas na ng hatol ang MTRCB na pinangunguhan ni Lala Soto na anak ng host ng IT ukol sa motion for reconsideration ng inihain ng pamunuan ng It's Showtime. Affirmed ang desisyon ng board sa suspension ng naturang programa. The motion for reconsideration submitted by It's Showtime regarding their July 25, 2023 episode has been denied by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. MTRCB held a press conference with prominent attendees, including Lala Soto, Angel de Mesa, MTRCB Vice Chair, Dr. Luis Gatmaytan Chairperson of NCCT National Council for Children's Television, Board Member Maria Carmen Masni, Attorney Paulino Cases, and Attorney Cesar Pareja. Kamakailan ay isiniwalat ni Movie and Television Review and Classification Board Chair Lala Soto na marami umanong mga tao ang nagbigay ng suhestyon sa kanila na dapat kanselahin ang It's Showtime, at hindi lamang patawan ng 12 days suspension. Sinabi ito ni Lala nang buksan ang naturang issue ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada sa isinagawang pagdinig ng Senado para sa proposed 2024 budget ng MTRCB nitong Miyerkules ika-27 ng Setyembre. Meron din pong nagsasabi that the suspension of 12 days was too severe. Well, maybe some sectors. Can you enlighten this subcommittee how the sanction was arrived to that? Tanong ni Jinggoy, na siyang tumayong chairperson ng naturang pagdinig. There are also a lot of people suggesting to cancel the show, sagot naman ni Lala. We consider other people's comments too. That is not the only comment that we received, saying that a 12-day suspension is too much. There are also a lot who were saying that the show should be cancelled or that the number of days should be extended, saad pa niya. Muli ring binanggit ni Lala na unanimous umano ang naging desisyon ng MTRCB hinggil dito, at hindi raw siya sumali o nakialam sa naturang botohan. Matatandaang nagpataw ang MTRCB kamakailan ng 12 days suspension sa It's Showtime, dahil na rin sa naging pagkain ni na Vice Ganda at Ayon Perez ng icing ng cake sa segment na Isip Bata.